Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from my usual arts and crafts videos, but I thought I'd review this Ken Western doll from the Barbie movie. But before I start, I'd just like to ask you a little favor. If you want to see more videos and get notified, then please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Why review a Ken doll, you ask me? Well, because as a child I played with Barbie, and last year I reviewed the brunette ballerina Barbie. There's a whole story about this, and you can find the review in the playlist. I also have the Yoga Made to Move Barbie, which I plan to show, and the Cat Lady Barbie. They decorate my workroom, and I might use them for inspiration. And no, I don't collect Barbie dolls, which is why I don't care about the box. As I have 3 ladies, I wanted a Ken for them. And no, I didn't watch the Barbie movie. I wasn't really interested, though I heard Ryan Gosling stole the movie. This Ken is a special edition or signature Barbie, as Mattel calls them, and it is supposed to represent Gosling as Ken. Honestly, I don't think he looks like Gosling, but he has an appealing face and no plastic hair unlike most other Ken dolls. Now to unpack this doll. As you can see, it comes with a certificate of authenticity. Unpacking Ken is quite a faff. They have strapped him firmly to the packaging, as you can see. Once out of the main package, I wasn't finished. Onto the scissors to unpack the stand. Fitting Ken on the stand is not so straightforward. I wanted to know what Ken looks like under his clothes, and if he is fully movable. And unfortunately his upper body is taped up, so I had to carefully cut through the tape. The tape doesn't stop here. His left leg is also taped up. The shirt has an elastic loop, which makes it a bit difficult to undress him. Now that he is mostly naked, you can see all his joints. Let's check how mobile he is. His joints are rather stiff. This is probably due to the fact that he hasn't been used yet. And here you can see all the waste from the packaging. Not great, is it? Less packaging would be better. I'm not sure why they did this, probably because of shipping. Here is Ken dressed up again and without his cowboy hat, which has a tiny dent. Here I attempted to get his boots off, but gave up as it was difficult on camera, and I know from experience that it's even harder to get boots or shoes back on the dolls. I assume his feet are not movable. Ken's head is very movable. Their hair seems to be glued together. I'm not sure I should try a comb on this or just leave it alone. The stand is a bit of a pain, and Ken falls off with his stand every time one of the cats jumps on my chest of drawers where he currently stands. I will probably just make him sit on my shelves next to Ballerina Barbie. And here is my Barbie family. I bought those pretty dresses from eBay. I like this Ken doll. He has an appealing face and his cowboy outfit is cute. I think he will loosen up when I just change his poses ever so often. I wasn't impressed with the amount of packaging though. Mattel should really rethink this. This doll would make a nice collector's item, but also simply a great doll to play with. By the way, our cats don't really care about the dolls and tend to ignore them, which I am grateful for. I hope you like my video. If you have a question, please leave a comment, and if you want to support this channel you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Until next time.